Hi Zoom Room, my name is Heather and this is my best friend Jessie. Piggyback. And we train using exclusively positive reinforcement and clicker training. Yes. Good. Turn. Turn. Sit. Ready. Good boy, go eat. Walk. Good boy, back. 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 Turn. Good job. Peekaboo. Step up. Good boy. Yes. That's awesome. Scoop. 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 More scoop. Yes. Motion. Motion. Yes. Oops. Big. Dance. Dance. Hop. 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 Jump. 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 Put it in. Go behind. Yes. Go crazy. Go crazy. Yes. Good jobbers. Clean up. Kick it. Clean up. Go for it. Say something. Good boy. Yes. Put it in. Good boy. Go behind. Yes. Circle. Circle. Stay. Back around. Good job. Wait. Yes.